Isa! Dalawa!
Dumilat.
Matay mo yan. Matay mo.
Try me. You carry me. Me 82 kg.
No problem, I will carry you.
Okay, try.
Okay.
You how many kg?
I am 93 now.
I'm carry you.
Okay.
Okay, try. Like this, okay? Only 82 kg?
Very heavy.
Me. I'm trying.
Okay.
I'm trying. Okay.
You.
Like this. Like this?
Yeah. I'm 93 now.
Okay? See?
Okay. Carry me?
Yeah, I have power.
What do you
Filipino have power. Filipino.
What you eat?
Only banana, rice, balanghoy, kamuting kahoy. Like this,
Too
Filipino.
much power.
Yeah. Oh, try me again.
Okay.
Okay. Like this.
I will carry you. Very heavy. This
My
my weight.
TV only 82 kg.
No, this
Okay,
my
try.
93. Okay.
And try again.
Yeah.
Like this. Okay?
Oh my God. You carry me. Wow. Nice. What?
Okay?
Too
Yeah,
much
you
power.
believe me now?
Yeah, I will believe you. This now I have power only this one.
Amor, si yo pongo esas cosas, yo sé que eso funciona.
Además, Michael, estoy diciendo que eso no funciona.
Amor, espera, estaba recochando.
Ay, no,
amor,
Michael, madura.
Bisa nyo, 15 minutes lang to.
Mati lang!
Tang. All one pa lang, parang isang oras na naglaro eh.
First ball trip lang. Tayo.
Don't need quarters, don't need dimes to call a friend of mine. Don't need computer or TV to have a real good time.
Wala kang gagawin kundi mag-relax, umupo, magrubad ng sapatos, magsalin, inuhin, quiet. Kapag sabing, banayad whiskey.
Ito, mag-iinom ka lang. Naman, boss. Nangaya naman ako sa'yo. Ano? Mas malama yan, matutulog ka. Lasing ka na naman, bukas. Kusina ka na naman. Ano to? Nanalo ka. Bukas, linggo. Napunta ka naman sa opisina. Magkasabong ka na naman. Ay, ako.
Ay, ano, kunin mo to? Okay na yan.
Ano ba gusto mo?
Huwag ka lang maingay. Ito pa, huwag ka lang maingay.
Pagluto na lang, pagluto kita. Pagluluto kita ng pulutan. Dito lang ako ha. Tawagin mo lang ako pag paglaman ka ha. Uminom ka, marami nang malasing ka.
Hindi na, lumabas ka muna ha.
Sige, gusto ko tayo kasuhin eh. Sige, sige kita. Salamat. Uminom ka lang ha. Hala ka lang ha.
Ganyan po sila mag-away dito.